Buckle up, auto experts family, because Subaru is about to change the game. For years, critics have mocked Subaru for being too safe, too predictable, and for ignoring the excitement factor that once defined its cars. But today, everything changes. The Subaru CEO just revealed a lineup of 5 brand new models for 2026. And trust me, these aren't just upgrades. These are bold, surprising, and in some cases, downright shocking moves that could silence Subaru haters once and for all. But here's the big question I want you to think about. Which of these 5 new Subaru models has the power to win back old fans and attract an entirely new generation of buyers? Stay with me till the end, because not only will we reveal all 5 models in dramatic countdown style, but I'll also share my answer to that very question just before we wrap up. And hey, if you love discovering the future of cars and trucks before anyone else, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss out on the biggest automotive reveals. All right, let's dive in. Number 5, the return of the WRX STI. If there's one Subaru nameplate that has been both worshipped and mourned, it's the WRX STI. The performance car that once stood toe-to-toe with legends like the Mitsubishi Evo has been missing from Subaru's lineup for years. Rumors swirled, fans begged, but Subaru remained silent. Until now. At a recent presentation during the Super Taikyu Racing Series at Fuji Raceway, Subaru's chief technical officer finally teased what fans have been waiting for. The WRX STI is officially making its comeback for 2026. And this isn't going to be the same old STI. Subaru is going bold with what insiders are calling a hybrid performance monster. Imagine Subaru's 2.4-liter turbocharged flat-4 engine fused with electric motor technology. The result? Over 400 horsepower, instant torque from the electric motor, and performance numbers that could embarrass traditional gasoline sports cars. The design alone screams intent. Flared fenders, aggressive aerodynamics, and a rear wing that looks straight off a touring car. This isn't just about style, it's about making a statement. Subaru wants critics to know they're not just playing catch-up, they're rewriting the rules. Rivals like Toyota's GR Corolla and Volkswagen's Golf R, they might want to take a seat because Subaru just raised the stakes. Number 4, the Subaru Baja comeback. Let's rewind to the early 2000s. Subaru released a quirky little pickup called the Baja. At the time, it was ahead of its era. Buyers weren't ready for a lifestyle-focused compact truck that prioritized fun and comfort. The Baja faded away. But fast forward to today, and the market has caught up. Compact pickups are hot. The Ford Maverick is selling like crazy. The Hyundai Santa Cruz has carved out its own niche. And now Subaru is ready to re-enter the battlefield with a 2026 Baja that fixes every mistake of the past. This time, the Baja comes standard with Subaru's legendary symmetrical all-wheel drive. No more front-wheel drive compromises like its rivals. Under the hood, buyers will get 2 choices. A 2.5-liter boxer engine with 180 horsepower for daily reliability, or a 2.4-liter turbocharged boxer with 260 horsepower and 277 lb-ft of torque. And yes, for the adventure crowd, there will be a wilderness trim. That means extra ground clearance, all-terrain tires, off-road suspension tuning, and full underbody protection. In other words, a compact pickup that actually belongs off-road. One of the coolest features? Subaru is bringing back the midgate design, a fold-down rear wall that doubles bed length when you need to haul longer items. Combine that with towing capacity over 4,000 pounds. And the Baja isn't just fun, it's functional. Number 3, the Trail Seeker EV. Now let's step into the future. Subaru is making a bold EV push with the Trail Seeker, an electric SUV built for adventure seekers who want capability without compromise. Based on the Solterra platform but stretched longer, the Trail Seeker looks rugged, muscular, and ready for the outdoors. Dual motors provide standard all-wheel drive and crank out 375 horsepower. launching this SUV from 0-60 mph in just 4.4 seconds. That's supercar acceleration in a family-sized package. Its 75 kWh battery pack delivers about 260 miles of real-world range, and with 150 kWh fast charging plus the NACS port, drivers get access to Tesla's vast supercharger network. That's a game-changer for EV adoption. But this isn't just another city EV with fake rugged looks. The Trailseeker packs 8.3 inches of ground clearance, multiple X-mode drive settings for snow, dirt, and mud, and real hill descent control. Add a 3,500-pound towing rating, and you've got an EV that actually works for adventurers, not just commuters. In short, the Trailseeker might finally be the electric SUV that outdoor enthusiasts have been waiting for. Number 2. The next-generation Outback. Few vehicles define Subaru's brand more than the Outback. It basically invented the crossover segment and became America's adventure wagon of choice. But for 2026, the Outback is undergoing its biggest transformation yet. The new design ditches the rounded wagon vibe for a more upright, SUV-like stance. The front end looks bolder with stacked headlights and a larger grille, while the roofline grows taller to boost cargo space to 35 cubic feet, more than some mid-size SUVs. Inside, Subaru promises a wider, more practical cargo floor, perfect for camping gear or weekend trips. Under the hood, buyers get familiar choices. A 2.5-liter naturally aspirated boxer with 180 horsepower for reliability. A 2.4-liter turbo boxer with 260 horsepower and 277 lb-ft of torque for serious performance. Of course, the fan-favorite wilderness trim returns, pushing ground clearance up to 9.5 inches, adding underbody armor, revised bumpers, and electronically controlled dampers. Towing capacity? A solid 3,500 pounds. The Outback has always been versatile, but now it looks ready to compete with bigger SUVs while staying true to Subaru's adventurous DNA. Number 1. The Subaru Brat Reborn. And here we are at number 1, the model that might just steal the entire show. The legendary Subaru Brat is making a comeback in 2026. Back in the late 70s and 80s, the Brat was a funky, compact pickup with rear-facing jump seats in the bed. It was fun, unique, and unforgettable. Now, Subaru is reinventing the Brat for a new generation. Built on the global platform, the new Brat blends car-like comfort with real truck utility. Unlike its rivals, all Brat models come with standard symmetrical all-wheel drive. That means no more pretending. This little truck will handle snow, rain, mud, and trails right out of the box. Engine options include Subaru's trusty 2.5-liter Boxer with 182 horsepower, or the more powerful 2.4-liter Turbo with 260 horsepower. And yes, the Wilderness trim will once again crank capability to the max with extra clearance, underbody armor, and trail-ready suspension. Payload capacity is expected to top 1,500 pounds, while towing easily clears 4,000 pounds. Add in smart features like a potential midgate system and practical bed design. And the Brat isn't just about nostalgia, it's about real utility. Most importantly, Subaru is rumored to price the Brat aggressively, undercutting rivals like the Maverick and Santa Cruz. That could make it the most affordable and most capable compact truck on the market. If Subaru delivers on this promise, the Brat could be the model that finally turns Subaru haters into lifelong believers. So, which of these 5 Subaru models has the best chance of winning back old fans and creating new ones? For me, the answer is clear: the Brat. Why? Because it represents everything Subaru does best: practicality, capability, affordability, and a dash of fun nostalgia. It's the kind of vehicle that speaks to adventure lovers and everyday buyers alike. But now I want to hear from you. Which 2026 Subaru model excites you the most? The WRX STI comeback, the Trailseeker EV, or maybe the rugged new Outback? Drop your pick in the comments. I'll be responding to as many as I can, and before you go, don't stop here. Subaru isn't the only brand gearing up for massive 2026 reveals. Mazda is preparing 6 brand new models, including some that might shock you even more than Subaru's. You can watch that full breakdown right here on your screen. Thanks for watching Auto Experience, where the future of cars comes alive. Until next time, drive safe, stay curious, and keep chasing the road ahead.